iQOO has officially confirmed that its upcoming Z10 Turbo series will launch on April tomorrow. The brand is introducing 3 new smartphones, the Z10X, Z10 Turbo, and Z10 Turbo Pro. The Z10 Turbo series will be available in shades like Starry Black, Desert, Burnt Orange, and Cloud White. The Z10 Turbo Pro will be among the first devices powered by the new Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset. The Z10 Turbo will feature a 6.78-inch 1.5K 144Hz OLED LTPS flat display and an optical fingerprint reader, a 50-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual-camera system, a 7,000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging. The Z10 Turbo is expected to feature the Dimensity 8400 chip, a 7,600 mAh battery with 90W charging, and a 50-megapixel. The series will be positioned in the 2,000 yuan to 2,500 yuan price range in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.